So I just finished washing my hair. Welcome or welcome back to Journey with Joy. It's your girl Chrystal-Joy. I'm gonna do some mini twists on my hair today. I've been looking for like a really easy and simple and also cute long-term protective style. I was gonna do mini braids, but the density of my hair just it doesn't look right. It looks way too sparse for me. I don't like it. This is a little old t-shirt that I used to get rid of the excess water in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it. So today for the style, I'm gonna be using the TGIN green tea. There we go. I'm gonna be using this as my leave-in. I don't know if you can see, it's almost done. And then I'm gonna be using this as my styling. And I'm gonna use this to oil my scalp and just seal it all in because of the fact that my Ayurvedic oil is not done yet. I'm waiting until January to use that to make sure that it's super infused. But yeah, let's get it poppin'. I don't really mind that the twists aren't staying in because I do think some more. I do plan on what's the word? Braiding up the sections and allowing it to dry, and then so that it can be stretched. I probably will be doing the I'll probably be doing the tension method with the blow dryer. So just having it in the braids and then blow drying it on low heat. Okay, that's pretty moisture. There's like a little bit left, but this is like consequential. Now that I got the leave-in on all the sections, I'm gonna go ahead with the Camille rope. My hands are too slippery. Nope. I thought. So let's see. There we go. Should've just did that first. Live and you learn. I completely missed the ramp. Alrighty, this is honestly like, I love this so much. I only recently started using it because my brother introduced me to it. He had it at home one time when I was back in New York and I needed to wash my hair. So I was like, hey, can I borrow your products? He's like, yeah, sure. And he had this one and I used it, fell in love. This is one of my favorite products. Stay tuned for the video on the best products used for high porosity hair. But I'm gonna stop talking and go ahead and moisturize my hair. So thick. There it comes. Boop, boop. Get it all over first. And then specific sections. Okay, so this one wants to come out and play. Go ahead and get on here. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, these products don't necessarily define my hair, but they are great at moisturizing it. As you can see, you can't even see no product. But that's also because I have high porosity hair and it just soaks it up. I'm gonna go ahead and braid this section, detangle it a little more. Not starting from the root, start from the end. it's been like maybe 4 or 5 hours. My hair is mostly dry. You can still sort of see the product right there and everything. But I'm tired of waiting. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Maybe not on that specific one. So I thought it would be stretched. Clearly it's not. So I guess I am gonna blow dry it after all because I'm tired of it, of having to wait for it. So I guess I'm just gonna use the tension method for the rest of my hair. I don't need a stretch on it. I just want a stretch on it. Braids just take too long to dry, but at least the ends are still a bit curly. I'm pretty sure that's not really, I feel like I put a little too much moisturizer, but then again, I have high porosity hair. I'm trying to make sure that it's properly moisturized, so so it doesn't like lose moisture by tomorrow. So I'm not really like upset about that or anything. But I'm glad it's retaining the moisture. Now I got some good products. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like so far. Let's get it done. And there you have it. I think it may be like, I wouldn't be surprised if it's like 8 o'clock at this point. I started these at 5. So it took like 3 hours to blow dry and then twist up all of my hair. It may be 2.5. I have no idea what time it is right now. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Nice little cute bob. And get that hair out of my face. Yep, this is it. if you liked this video, if you thought it was helpful, go ahead, hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle down in the comments, if you would try it, or if you would do it on someone else's hair, or even, you know, try and do it a little better than I did. I did not want to take that long. It was already long as you saw it, or as I said, it took like 2.5 hours. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And thanks. Bye.